Hello and welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cut out an image in Photoshop. So let's have a look now. I start by opening Adobe Photoshop and opening the image you want to work with. From the toolbar on the left, select the pen tool. It's represented by a pen icon. Alternatively, you can press P on your keyboard to activate the pen tool. Zoom in for precision, then start creating a path by clicking to set another points around the subject you want to cut out. Use the pen tool to draw curves by clicking and dragging. Close the path by connecting the last anchor point to the initial one. Right-click within the path, choose Make Selection, and adjust the feather radius if needed. Click OK to confirm. After that, hit Ctrl plus G to copy the selected area onto a new layer. This action separates the cut-out subject onto its layer, leaving the background transparent. To preserve the cutout image, save it in a file format that supports transparency, such as PNG. Go to File, then Save As and select your desired format. And there you have it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.